Neil from Essex here to share a concerning video here with you today. I was sent a number of videos by a gentleman here named Ross from Future View Farms right here in Lancaster County. Many of our previously rural areas are becoming increasingly urbanized, and that's led to more and more concerns about tractors and cars sharing the road together. Ross had enough foresight here into this problem to put dash cams into some of his tractors, and what we're going to share with you here today is just a couple of months of what he experienced on the road.
Essex, a helping hand with your land.
Now, I'm grouping this series of videos here into a couple of problems that I see in the drivers that are on the road with these tractors. And the first of those groupings comes into the tractor's ability to be able to stop. These machines are heavy. Really heavy, and they pull some really heavy loads. If we look at the largest manure tanker that's offered by Messick, our largest tanker when filled is 110,000 pounds. That's on top of a tractor that already weighs 20 to 30,000 pounds in and of itself, giving you 140, 150,000 pounds running down the road. Now, those are huge numbers, but if you compare that to a tractor trailer truck that typically is carrying somewhere around 40,000 pounds worth of weight in its trailer, and their licenses will top out around 80,000 pounds, it starts to give you a little bit more of an appreciation for just how much mass is rolling down the road. And concerningly, these manure tankers are most often pulled by some of the fastest tractors that we offer. So not only are they really heavy, in tractor terms, they're moving very, very quickly. When these machines are approaching intersections, you're going to notice here cars pulling out in front of them, playing around with that tractor's ability to be able to hit the brakes and stop quickly enough to be able to stop with somebody that might be pulling out in front of them. When you look at somebody sitting up in a cab of a tractor like this, you kind of think you have this like expansive view, right? Because you're sitting high in this machine with all this glass. But when you're actually driving one down the road, you would be surprised by the blind spots that are in a machine like this. Particularly because it sits so high with these large tires, it creates blind spots when we look down here to the sides of the machine. If you decide to pass a tractor on the left-hand side, you need to remember that the blind spots in a machine like this are worse than what your car or truck might be. I also question your ability to be able to see past the machine and know who might be coming in the other lane. Very often when we see cars trying to scoot past a tractor, it's a time that there's other blind spots involved other than just the machine itself, creating these very dangerous situations that happen on the road. So these videos are from just these two tractors over a period of just a couple of months, and watching these videos brings a couple of thoughts to my head. Firstly, for the drivers that are on the road, realize how dangerous these things can be. Would you behave this way around a tractor trailer truck? I don't think you would, and a greater level of respect needs to be given for farming machinery than tractor trailers, given weight and blind spots and those kinds of things. If you're a person operating this kind of equipment, I've run these things up and down the road too. I know how stressful it can be. The idea of throwing inexpensive dash cams up into your cab, I think is really important at this point. To be able to share videos like this, you see viral traffic videos online all the time, I think really can bring a lot of awareness to this. And the idea that Ross here had by doing that, I think is super important and worth sharing for all of us to be able to consider to hopefully improve this for us in the future. So if you can help you with a piece of equipment, we're glad to help. We've also got an awesome parts and service department that's able to reach out to you. We're available at 800-222-3373 or online at Messick.com.